Alright, here we go. Good luck, guys. Open it up and pick 4 boxes out of this case. Hey, hopefully it is the galactic side, man. We got lucky once. Why can't we not get lucky again? Alright, we'll just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, so that box. 8, so that box. 2, so that box. And 4, so this box. Okay. So it's this box, these 2, and this one. Come on, 0 autographs, so we can fill the next half. What a jerk, huh? What a jerk, this guy. That box. Bridges, Goran Dragic, Andrew Wiggins, and Anthony Davis for the Lakers. On his Astro, Chris Middleton, Vortex. Mitchell Robinson, Devin Booker, Kevin Warter, rookie Udoka for the Jazz. That's Ray 34-34, Astro. Sun is down. Cassius Winston for the Wizards. Jamal Murray, Rudy Gobert, Ricky Rubio for the T-Wolves. T-Wolves is athletic and the T-Wolves. And we got Vucevic for the Magic. That is nothing. Oh, Astro and Stephen Curry. Shockwave. Second year Zion. Yeah. Curry. Brandon Clark. Devontae Graham. Giannis Antetokounmpo, 30 of 100. That jersey number? No, it's 34, huh? Boo. 30 of 100. Giannis Antetokounmpo. And then Theo Maildon for the Thunder. Kyrie Irving, Kyle Lowry, Kevin Durant, Trae Young for the Hawks. Astro. Ray 3434, Kawhi Leonard, Shockwave. What's up, Dazzaroni? Trae Young, Anthony Davis, Jusuf Nurkic, Tyrese Maxey for the Sixers. Chill, man. Rammer Jammer and the Sixers. Fractal. Killian Hayes for the Pistons. Another Killian Hayes for the Pistons right there. Piston TJSD. Nikola Vucevic, Bagley, Tobias Harris, Bam Adebayo for the Heat. Groove. And Killian Hayes. Wow, look at that. Pull a Bam Adebayo as soon as Dazzler gets on. Heat is Big 22-22. There's an Edwards. Doncic, Christian Wood, Donovan Mitchell, and Kira Lewis Jr. for the Pelicans. Dude, that box had an autograph, and a cubic, 33 of 50. Autograph, what was the Giannis? A Cosmic, and that one. That was Jaden McDaniels, by the way. Alright, box 3. I mean, box 2, box 3. I'm already hungry. I got a burrito for lunch. Got it, man. Congrats. Sabonis Noches on the back. Terry Rozier, Kawhi Leonard, Tim Hardaway Jr., Karl Anthony Towns for the T-Wolves, and Sabonis Noches Vortex. DeAndre Ayton, Chris Middleton, Kyle Lowry, Jarrett Culver for the T-Wolves, and Aaron Nesmith for the Celtics. Drew Holiday, Sabonis Noches, Kevin Durant, Joel Embiid Shockwave, Fractal, and Isaiah Stewart. Oof. Sorry about that, Stewart. Carmelo Anthony, Jusuf, Marvin Bagley, Lauri Markkanen for the Bulls, Groove, and Nikola Jokic. Culver, Porter Jr., Jaylen Brown, Blake Griffin, Groove, Daniel Oturu for the Clippers. Hey, man. No autograph, no numbered cards. Norman Powell, Chris Paul, Bradley Beal, James Wiseman for the Warriors. Groove. That is KSTJST. And Rudy Gobert for the Jazz. Russell Westbrook, John Wall, Giannis, and Isaac Okoro for the Cavs. Astro. RJ Hampton. Eric Gordon, Jonas Valanciunas, Kelly Oubre Jr., and Sadiq Bey for the Pistons. 142 of 149. Pistons, KST, JST. And Nico Mann. Is that Carrot Top? Nah, man. We got racing's down to 125 spots. F1 Racing is Friday. F1 Chrome Racing is Friday. I'll probably have a case. I'll have a case break on the website. I think we said 60 at 120. I think we said. So that's a full case break, and then I'll do another one at 4 boxes at a time. So it should be a little more affordable for those. Kemba Walker, Jaren Jackson Jr., JJJ, Alfred Payton, Buddy Hield for the Kings, and we got Liftoff, Kawhi Leonard for the Clippers. So if you guys are into F1 Chrome, that will be posted on the website. We'll have the big break. Gordon Hayward, Rui, Draymond Green, Steven Adams, 59 of 149 for the Thunder. Pop Roast. I'm putting up 2 tomorrow. Tyler Bay for the Mavs. Putting up two breaks of that tomorrow. Darren Fox, John Collins, R.J. Barrett, R.J. Hampton for the Nuggets. 808 Lexus. That's Pelicans? Oh, Pelicans, sorry. Pelicans. My bad. I was reading his shirt. Groove on R.J. Hampton and Bam Adebayo. Man, not one LaMelo Ball, huh? For I believe Miles Turner, Buddy Hield. Jason Tatum for the Celtics. Fractal. And Zeke Nani. Lou Williams, C.J. McCollum, Jamal Murray, Norman Powell, and Malachi Flynn. Jokic, Rudy Gobert, Devontae Graham, R.J. Barrett for the Knicks, Astro, and Stephen Curry Shockwave. There's another Wiseman right there. Porzingis, Zach LaVine, LaMarcus Aldridge, Peyton Pritchard for the Celtics. Anyway, 34-34. Astro. And then James Wiseman for the Warriors. I was reading the jersey, man. Sorry. Kobe, Joel Embiid, Bam Adebayo, Jimmy Butler, Luka Doncic, Supernova for the Mavs. All right, last and final box. Oh man, the other side's got at least 2 autographs. I know. Look at that face. I'm mellow here. All right, Mitchell Robinson, Tim Hardaway Jr., Kelly Oubre, Carmelo Anthony for the Blazers. That is Astro. And then Donovan Mitchell, Spider for the Jazz. Devin Booker, Stephen Curry, Chris Middleton, Tyler Bay for the Mavs. Hey, baby. Astro. Skylar Mays for the Hawks. Kyle Lowry, Kevin Durant. For the Jazz, Udoka. Jazz is Ray, 34-34. That's a great autograph. Looks like some boobs. Looks like he drew boobs. Udoka. Azibuiki. D-Russ for the T-Wolves and Jason Tatum. Want me to send it to him? I'll send it to him. Brandon Clark, Brandon Ingram, Brandon Jusuf Nurkic, Tyrese Halliburton. 124 of 149 for the Kings. Daniel. Tyrese Halliburton. 12 fan 360. Sadiq Bey. It's FM New. Trey Young. Caris LeVert. Jaylen Brown. Sabonis Noches for the Pacers. Nice. That is Astro. And Liftoff, James Harden for the Rockets. He's probably on the toilet right now with the diarrhea. Anthony Davis, Nikola Vucevic, Chris Paul. Anthony Davis for the Lakers. Fractal, Zeke Nnaji. Luka Bradley Beal, Giannis, Kevin Warter, Groove, and DeAndre Ayton. Man, that one. Melo. Oh, Christian Wood, Miles Bridges, Kawhi Leonard, Brook Lopez for the Bucks, Fractal, and Danny for the Wizards. Rammer Jammer. I'm just trying to get one from you there. That was the box. 2 autographs. If there is a Galactic, we won't know until the other half opens. No Galactic in the first half. Doncic, Giannis, Danny, Trae Young, James Harden, Tyrese Halliburton at a 149. Udoka, Tyler Bay, Luka Doncic, James Wiseman, Peyton Pritchard, R.J. Hampton, Steven Adams, Kawhi Leonard, Sadiq Bey, Giannis, Isaac Okoro, James Wiseman, Luka Doncic, Kira Lewis Jr., Trae Young, Tyrese Maxey, Trae Young, Giannis, Ricky Rubio, and Udoka for the Jazz. Thank you again, everybody. Appreciate it as always. Sorry, Jared.